All right, we got CP train heading by. This is my first train since I came back from Railfanning. I haven't Railfanned in Blasdell for the first time, so. You see it the first time, like. Alright, symbol on that train is CSX I-165. That train originates at Montreal, Quebec, terminates at Chicago, Illinois, will terminate at Schiller Park. On this Saturday, January 7th, 2023 by Brendan the Railfan. Never seen it. And this is my first train catch since I have Railfanned in Blasdell. The Buffalo Southern train, my first catch. But the reason why I haven't Railfanned in 5 months is because I have a lot of things to do and I gotta take a break from it. So I don't just quit Railfanning, but hey, a lot of time I Railfanned for the first time. So yo, I gotta catch one of my Railfanning. So I'm gonna Railfann in different areas, so I can't just Railfann in Blasdell. So I'm gonna go back and Railfann in different areas like Buffalo, Rochester, or Syracuse, or Erie, Indiana, or Canada. But I'm gonna think about it if I come back. So the train so far moving as fast as possible. Alright, getting the speed now. So you can see my community tabs. I don't even know how I got the community tabs, like when I didn't even get 1K subscribers. But there we go. Alright, moving on to the next video. Roll it. Alright, so we're gonna end the video 2 of 1 train. So it's getting cold, so I gotta get ready to go. So if you like this video, please stay tuned for the next video, and like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos. So stay tuned. Damn, it's so cool outside.